Hey, this is Chase with SLE. We're located 20 minutes south of Nashville, Tennessee. You can look us up on our website at sleequipment.com, or you can call us at 615-641-7720. Today, we're looking at our Troy-Bilt TB30R. This machine's model number stands for 30-inch deck, and it's a rear engine rider. This rear engine rider has a steering wheel up front for easy access for control and drive. As you see, it's got a 30-inch deck on there as well, that rounded out 30-inch deck. Your throttle is on your left-hand side, as long as your key. Your battery is tucked away up underneath there, right here underneath that as well. These machines have fairly good sized tires for it to be a residential machine. Your engine is up underneath your seat, which is why they call it a rear engine rider. Your engine is behind you. Your oil filter on your engine is right here, with your dipstick on your engine right there. The machine comes standard with its normal discharge chute. On this machine right now, we have a mulch kit on there. That's gonna make it to where the grass doesn't shoot off the sides, and it's gonna go back at a good surface to where it's gonna spread it evenly. On this machine, you have your deck lift right here. You have your PTO for your blades right here. You have your throb for your neutral, your reverse, and your forward. It also shows you up front your fuel tank to where you can see how much gas you have as well. You can find this machine and many other rear engine riders on our website at sleequipment.com, or you can call us at 615-641-7720. Thanks.